Hey guys, Yes We Coupon here, and we have a huge Dollar General penny list today, and it's active right now. Make sure that you don't ask Dollar General employees about the Dollar General penny list. And here it is, this week's Dollar General penny list, active now. Make sure you use the Dollar General app to scan and confirm items before getting to the register. And don't forget to download the Yes We Coupon app, available on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. You will get notified as soon as the penny list is released. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a YouTube video.